Hi, first graders. Today we're going to be working on your put on your thinking caps. Remember, the put on your thinking caps are always a little bit trickier. Sometimes there's more than one right answer for the problems, and they just really try to get your brain thinking in a different way. So if you're feeling like when you're doing your workbook pages, this is kind of tricky and hard, that's what they're meant to do. So that's okay, all right? So the first one on here today says, how are these shapes sorted? So take a look at group A and take a look at group B. How did they sort them? If you think that they sorted them by color, you are correct. So in group A, they have all of the pink shapes. In group B, they don't have any pink shapes. So for this one, they colored them by, or they sorted them by color. Number 2 says, what comes next in this pattern? So they have cylinder, large cube, small cube, big cylinder, little cylinder, large cube, small cube, big cylinder, little cylinder, big cube, small cube. What would go next? So after the small cube comes the big cylinder. So those two are pretty simple. The next ones might be a little trickier in your workbook pages. So just try your best with them. You're going to be working on page 127 to 132. Have fun.